going on, everybody? Hope you all had a great Labor Day weekend. Hey, listen, we got another MRE thing for you today. The one thing that I saw, I was going through all my MREs and I saw this. And it was menu number 3, right? Okay, this is the chicken. There's the chicken noodles and vegetables in sauce. Now, my favorite one back in the 80s was the chicken a la king. And apparently, a lot of people did not like that. I loved it. So what I'm going to do is we're going to try this and see how close to the chicken a la king it is. We're also going to see, what's in this. But we're also outside, as you can see. We are outside. So one of the things that I wanted to do with this one is I wanted to just do this a la rustic style. Okay. Is there enough stuff in here to make my meal? I'm saying yes. The only outside influence I have are 2 bottles of water, because I don't have a canteen, and my knife. Okay, so why don't we get started? All right. Once we have this here, what we're going to do is we're just going to take this out like this, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Pack as normal, right? Go ahead and open up this pack. Alright. Knife aside. Oh, what do we got? Baggie for water. Flame expression heater. Spoon. Oh, what's this? Oh, apple jelly. Crackers. Skittles, no thanks. This is tropical punch fruit flavor. Okay. Peanut butter! Got peanut butter! Okay. Here's your accessory pack. What do we got in the accessory pack? Okay, in the accessory pack we got wipey, salty, moist towelette, more wipey, right? Okay. Bill's Brew coffee, creamer, and sugar, and matches. Let's save this stuff for later. I'm not gonna drink that tonight, right now. I'll be bouncing off the walls later on tonight. Okay, applesauce, yes. Got some applesauce, Tabasco, and Miraqual. Go with Frank's, it's better. Here's your sleeve and your main. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and get this all set up. Let's go with the flameless ration heater right here. Take this off. Tear here. There we go. I teared there. And we'll put this in here. In here like this. Come on. Get in there. Don't be a dick. There we go. It's in. And don't overfill. So we're just going to add the water right to there. Just add the water. Cool. There's water. Put it on its side here. And let the water get to the heater, and there she goes, starting to boil. Nice. Now what we're going to do, I'll take this sleeve, add that there, and take one of the bottles of water, just put it down, and we'll just set that like that and let that heat up. Next thing, we're going to take the tropical punch fruit juice, and what we'll do is we will put that in what's left of this water, Let's see how let's see, get that out of the way. So put that in there like that. Ah, that's not working right. Shoot. There we go. Got most of that on the side, but it works. Aha! Set up. All right. Here we got the peanut butter and the crackers. There's not a whole lot in here. I thought there'd be more, you know? Huh. Oh yeah. Chewies. There's your gum. Moist towelette. Let me go wipe my hands off. Okay, I walked out to the lake and I wiped my hands off. So now, we're gonna, here's the applesauce. We'll get that later. Let's just open up these crackers right here. At least some of that. Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay. We got apple jelly, and we got peanut butter. Opening up the peanut butter. Oops. Didn't get that quite open enough. There we go. Put the peanut butter on there. Yep, just a little dollop will do you. And now the apple jelly. We'll put that on there a little bit. No. How do you open this? I have a knife. I'm not going to use that. Alright. Put the apple jelly in here like that. See how that works. Take out the spoon. Got the spoon. You just mix it on here like this. Oh, cracked. I think I'm going a little too fast. Not bad. Not bad at all. Definitely dry. Woo. Yep. Definitely dry. Put that there. Put that there. Some crackers. Save these for later. Save these for later. Towelette. Save these for later. Definitely save those for later. Alright. Yeah, I don't get a lot in this one. That's unfortunate. Oh. I see. Not bad. Hey, you don't get a lot. Just the crackers. The main. Anybody want my Skittles? Not a big Skittle guy. I figured there'd be something else. Guess I was wrong. I don't think I got it all in there. That'll mix it up a little bit better. Turn it upside down and mix it. How we doing? Oh yeah, that's heating up nice. So while that's heating up, Guess I'll just eat my crackers. Not bad. I don't know if there's enough in here though. I mean, you've been working all day. Now this is what they give you? I mean, it's my applesauce. That's really good. Applesauce is very good. 110 calories, so this is basically an apple. It's like reasoning with yourself that if you have to have more fruit, you can eat cherry pie or apple pie. Yeah. It has raspberry puree in it. That's where this. It's got an interesting taste. Raspberry puree. Tastes pretty good. Not bad. Now I'm eating this rather fast. And I think I'm trying to prove how fast you can eat one of these things. Too, you know, just how fast you can make yourself a meal. Not getting all your apple jelly or anything. You can suck it out of there like that. I think my main's almost done. I remember in basic, they gave us these MREs right before we did the obstacle course. We marched us out to the obstacle course. First time I've ever had one. Sat us down in rows. Had us pass down these MREs on the rows. You know, so nobody knew what they were getting. I got chicken a la king. A buddy of mine, he got the chili mac. Now, it was my first experience with an MRE. Early 1980s. We didn't have fruit drinks in it. It was water. We ate the whole thing. And made sure we ate it all. Sat there for 15 minutes. Then they got our butts up, marched us to the start of the obstacle course. And we did the obstacle course with full stomachs. Timed. I was like, what? There were people throwing up all over the place. Warm. We are ready to go. It's very good. That's very warm and very good. All right. My spoon. Took all the peanut butter off the spoon. Keep the coffee for later. Now, they say these right here, the mains, you want to go across it like that. I always thought it was best if you did it lengthwise. They don't put the notches on the length anymore. We'll just have to see what this is like. All right. Let's see what this is. Huh. That's it right there. Really salty. Really, really salty. Got the thick noodles that you get in, you know, like the chicken noodle soup, you know? It's not bad. I still think the chicken a la king was better. This just isn't bad. I could definitely eat all this. Yep. Seems like they give you a lot too. The flameless ration heater's still smoking down here. I mean, I got it warm enough, right? I didn't have to be hot. It's warm enough. Can't beat that. The chicken's actually tender. It's got pretty much the same consistency as you know, the canned chicken you can buy. It's got the same consistency as that. Same saltiness. Guess they want you to have your electrolytes. Yes, salts are electrolytes. Everybody quit freaking out. And that's that. Not bad. If I was in the field, I'd save this too. Just in case. It's still smoking. Can you guys see that thing smoking? And it's freaking hot. Dang. Finish up my drink. All right. Still got my Skittles. Save those for moving, or maybe trading something. You never know. Police up everything else. What you do is you just put it all back in the bag. Save that. And that's it. I'm ready to move again. But it wasn't bad. I still think I like the chicken a la king better, and what I would do is I would put some sort of bread in there instead of the crackers. I think bread would go better with that meal, because you could actually take the bread and crumble it up and put it in the main and have, you know, make it basically chicken and dumplings. So I think that would be actually better than that. The applesauce with raspberry was fantastic. That was actually really good. I didn't check that. I didn't see that it was raspberry, but now that I saw it, man, that was really good. Peanut butter's peanut butter. You know, it's just your typical Jif stuff. The apple stuff, you know, the apple jelly, that was interesting. Wasn't the greatest I've ever seen, but it was interesting. But that's it. That's how quick you can eat one of those things. You can also eat it, if you look at it like that, you can do one of these things in a sitting in 15 minutes at the most, or you can eat it on the move. Just make sure you don't leave anything behind. Police all your crap up like this. And that's about it. I hope everybody has a great day. And thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I hope everybody has a great week coming up. We're heading into the fall football season. Can't wait for that. Talk to you later. Thank you.